Another pasabog, KD Estrada. Congratulations, KD. Grabe. Dito po ay Best Awards, Best Performer and Musical, walang aray. KD Estrada as Atenyong. Grabe. Congratulations naman, KD. I don't know what tumindig means, pero guess what? Your heart and your genuine self knows what it is. Alam mo at isinasagawa mo ang tumindig ag pag-ibig. In real life, Tinyong. Hashtag Best Performer Musical and hashtag Broadway World Philippines. Kidi Estrada. Apat na tagline dito ay nag-trending si Kidi. Grabe suporta ng mga kidits at ibang mga sweethearts dito. Congratulations naman, Kid Estrada. Marami nga ang nagmamahal sa'yo. Sabi nga nila, hindi kami magsawa, suportahan ka, napakabait mong bata ka. Super, very humble. Top trending, KD Broadway Whirlwind, Best Performer a Musical, hashtag Broadway World Philippines, and hashtag KD Estrada Awards, Best Performer and Musical. Ika nga sabi nila napakasarap mong suportahan kay Estrada. Hindi kami magsasawa or hindi kami nagkamali sa'yo. Cheers for more achievements. And of course, sa mga kids, we love you to appreciate and every single one of you so much for your efforts to Kidi. And thank you so much always having way back and for us supporting, syempre, hindi lang si Kidi and also Alexay Lakad. If we're to go back and play Tinyong, and I'll make sure of you to prouder than before. Congratulations. Hearing those compliment coming from the veteran actors, lalo na sa sinasabi nga kahapon ng ibang taga-media conference and also veteran actress Rosana Roses, kung gaano kagaling si KD, pinupori. Just amazing, ang sarap lang talaga sa feeling na ganito pinupori si KD. Even baguhan lang siya sa pagiging artista from the PBB, pero pinakita niya yung effort, yung best niya talaga.